This is how you're going to connect hosting your domain to Shopify. First, you're going to log into each panel, and then from your each panel dashboard, you're going to head over to domains right here at the left side menu. Now, from the domains, you're just going to select the domain that you want to add Shopify to. We're going to click on manage right here at the right side of the screen. And then from here, you'll be able to see the options right here at the left side. You're just going to click on DNS/name servers. Now, we're just going to scroll down, and then we are going to update a record. So right here, we're going to change the a record for to Shopify's IP. So we're just going to look if we have an a record right here, but as you can see, we don't have it. So we're just going to add a record. So we're going to add the name for Shopify. We're going to type in Shopify right here as the name, and then we're going to type in the IP address of Shopify. So for this one, we're going to add 23.227.38 and then 0.65. And then from there, we're just going to click on add record. Now make sure that what you type in here is the correct IP for Shopify. So for this one, I'm just going to double check it like so. And then we're just going to remove the ad right here. Just make sure that you adjust this according to the details that appears right here. So as you can see, we have successfully created it. So after that, we're now going to update CNAME. We're going to change the CNAME record for www to shops.myshopify.com. So we're going to add a CNAME right here. We're going to select a type. We're going to add CNAME. We're going to add the name Shopify. And then from there, we're going to add a since we already have that, we're just going to type in .com, and then we're going to add the target shops.myshopify.com, and then from there we're just going to click on add record. Now after that, it will you will have your Shopify connected already. Now you're just gonna have to click update for both records, and that's it. That is how you're going to connect Shopify to your hosting or domain. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.